Instagram notifications not working? Here's the fix. First one, check mute status. First, check that the person's notifications are not muted. Tap and hold on the conversation. Then, select unmute. Now turn off mute messages. Second one, check Instagram notification settings. Open the Instagram app. Tap your profile picture at the bottom right. Now tap the 3 lines at the top. Then tap on notifications. If pause all is turned on, turn it off immediately. Now go through each section: posts, stories, messages, live, and calls. Make sure notifications are enabled for everything you want. Third one, check iPhone notification settings. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Scroll and look for the Instagram and tap on it. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Fourth one, check Do Not Disturb. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Tap Do Not Disturb. If it's turned on, tap it again to turn it off. When Do Not Disturb is active, notifications are silenced. Fifth one, check Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app. Scroll and tap on General. Again, scroll down. Select Background App Refresh. Again, click on it. Now change it to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. After that, go back to the previous page, scroll and look for the Instagram option. Now turn on the toggle next to the option. If it doesn't work, then try. Sixth one, check low power mode. Open the Control Center. If low power mode is turned on, tap it to turn off. Now check Instagram again. Seventh one, check Instagram update. Open the App Store. Search for Instagram. If you see an update button, tap it. After updating, reopen Instagram and test notifications. Mostly any one of these steps will work. Still, if it doesn't work, then eighth one, check for iOS updates. In the Settings page, tap on General. Select Software Update. If an update is available, install it. If this doesn't work, then ninth one, restart your iPhone. Activate Siri and say, "Restart my iPhone." When the confirmation pop-up appears, tap Restart to confirm. Wait a few seconds while your iPhone restarts. Once it turns back on, check if notifications are working properly. 10th one, reinstall Instagram. Tap and hold the Instagram app. From the pop-up, select Remove App. Then tap the Delete app. Now go to the App Store, search for Instagram, and install it. After installing, open the app and log back in. Now check the notifications. This might fix the issue, and that's it.